Welcome to Cox Local Edition SCNN Headline News. I'm Tanya Hindert with Cox Communications. Today we have a very special guest, Linda Cullen, who is the Program Director for Children's Services of the Catholic Charities of Diocese of Arlington. Welcome, Linda.
Thank you, Tanya, and thanks to Cox Communications for having me here today. I really appreciate the opportunity to talk about our program.
Oh, it's our pleasure. Linda, can you please tell us a little bit about your organization, the mission of your organization, and how your program fits into that mission?
Sure. Catholic Charities is a family service agency, and we are really the social services arm of the Catholic Church in Northern Virginia. Although we serve people from every race and religion, and the mission of the agency is really to provide services that strengthen individuals, families, and communities. And our services really are provided in the entire Diocese of Arlington, which encompasses all of Northern Virginia and stretches from Winchester down to Fredericksburg.
Can you elaborate a little more about your mission in the Children's Service Department?
Sure. Children's Services has three primary services. We provide pregnancy assistance, domestic and international adoption services, and also temporary foster care. So in working with birth parents, for example, we provide concrete assistance through such services as helping them set up a medical plan or finding housing. And then we really focus on what we see as our core service, which is counseling to help them make a good plan for themselves and their unborn child.
Fairfax County needs a change in so much every year, you know, the different population. What do you do in your program to address the needs?
You know, I've been in the agency a long time, about 30 years, and when I started there, the population, I think, in Northern Virginia was a pretty homogeneous one, and certainly the Catholic population was much more homogeneous. Today, we have people from every national origin and every race, and so our services have become much more diverse. In fact, one of our programs is directed towards immigrants. In the Children's Services Department, we're fortunate to have a Cuban social worker who's very familiar with the various Hispanic cultures, and we really reach out to both Hispanic birth parents and also adoptive parents.
Now, you hear so much in the news how hard it is to really adopt a child. Mm-hmm. Is that really true?
Well, certainly there aren't the number of healthy Caucasian infants that there were 30 or 40 years ago, but I also believe that anyone who wants to adopt can certainly find a child to adopt. Perhaps they might have to broaden their range of children a little bit, and really should know that beyond infants, Virginia has over 900 children waiting for permanent homes. We at Catholic Charities focus mostly on infants, but we can provide social services to them.
So, Linda, if our viewers would like some more information about your program, where should they go to?
The agency has a website, www.ccda.net, and the Children's Services Department phone number is 703-425-0100.
Well, thank you so much, Linda, for joining us today. And thank you for joining us at Cox Local Edition CNN Headline News. Have a great day.